Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about payback period. What is payback period? This is the time in which the initial cash outflow of an investment is expected to be recovered from the cash inflows generated by the investment. It is one of the simplest investment appraisal technique. So let's look at the formula. So the formula to calculate payback period of a project depends on whether the cash flow per period from the project is either even or uneven. In the case they are even, the formula to calculate payback period is initial cash inflow over the annual cash flow. When the cash inflows are uneven or not the same, we need to calculate the cumulative net cash flow for each period, and then we use the following formula for the payback period. PBP is equal to A plus B over C, where we say A is the last period with a negative cumulative cash flow. B is the absolute value without negative sign of the cumulative cash flow at the end of the period A. In other words, the balance that you're left with to pay back. And C is the total cash flow during the period after A. So when we look at the decision rule, it says a business should invest in a project with a shorter payback period. Most businesses use this rule, where you invest, you have different projects, but you prefer the one that has a shorter payback period. Let's look at example 1. When it is even cash flows, the cash flows are the same throughout. Company X is planning to undertake a project requiring an initial investment of $105 million. The project is expected to generate 25 million per year USDs for 7 years. Calculate the payback period of the project. As you can see in this question, they're saying every year it will be 25, so it's even. And in our formula, we said PBP is equal to the initial investment over the annual cash flow. So our initial investment is $105 million divided by the annual cash flow of 25 million, and then you come to 4.2 years. So it will take company X to get back its initial investment after a duration of 4.2 years. We look at example 2, where we have uneven cash flows. Again, company X is planning to undertake another project requiring initial investment of 50 million and is expected to generate 10 million in year 1, 13 million in year 2, 16 million in year 3, 19 million in year 4, and 22 million in year 5. So here you can see the cash inflow varies, keeps on changing on year by year. So we shall use the other method for uneven cash flow, where put year cash flow, cumulative cash flow. Well said, in the year from 0, 1, 2 up to 5, and then the cash flow at the start it was 50M, and then the cumulative cash flow was also 50M in brackets. That's the money that we're supposed to pay back. So in the first year, we cleared off the cumulative 10 million. That means how much are we going to be left with? 10 minus 50, we shall be left with a balance of 40. You continue. Year 2, the cash flow was 13, so we shall add 10 plus 13, 23 minus 50, we come to 27. Then year 3, you do the same, which is here our cash flow is 16, so you get 27 minus 16, you come to negative 11. And now when it comes to year 4, you can see now we're no longer in negative. We got a cumulative we got a cash flow of 19, so we clear off the 11 and then we are left with 8, that is positive. Then year 5, cash flow 22 million, so then we shall plus that 8, we come to 22 plus 8, we come to 30. So PBP is equal to, said, the last year, the negative cumulative cash flow, which is year 3, you can see that, so we shall write 3 plus B was the absolute value. How much are you left with? So we are left with 11 plus 11 divided by the total cash flow after A, which is 19, and then when we put it in brackets, just get 3 plus 0.58, we come to 3.58 years. That's our answer. Hope you enjoyed what you are watching. Thank you